Good good day. It's not morning. I like to say good morning, but it's not morning anymore. I'm at Amsterdam Central Station. Oh my god, it's starting to rain. Jesus Christ. This is like the best day to film. Like, I want to talk about a new high frequency train that's operating, but there now works at Schiphol Airport. And the train that I want to talk about doesn't operate at its full frequency. And that's added a new local train service in the new 2025 timetable called the Airport Sprinter, because a lot of high-speed trains will now go via Amsterdam Zuid. There's a lot of free capacity on the line between Amsterdam Centraal and Schiphol airports, which a lot of tourists want to use because the airport and the city center. So the NS introduced the Airport Sprinter, a local service between Amsterdam Central Station, Schiphol Airport, and the stop after Schiphol Airport, which is Hoofddorp. And the frequency is not 2 times an hour, it's not 4 times an hour, it's not even 6 times an hour. No, ladies and gentlemen, this train operates 8 times an hour. Not today because works at Schiphol, but I'll show you timetable right now. If I go to ns.nl and if I search up when the train leaves from Amsterdam Centraal to Schiphol, you can see a train every 7.5 minutes, which is insane. So let's see how they do it. This train actually leaves in 1 minute, so hopefully I'll still catch it. We will now go down the line and get off at every station to see how can this train operate so frequently. And here at Sloterdijk, we'll see how these trains are able to reach this high of a frequency. That's because the conductor isn't now in charge of closing the doors. That's now the driver. The driver has cameras in the cabin that will check if the doors are clear. And if they are, the train leaves. Normally, the conductor gets out of the train, closes the doors manually, and then closes his own door, and then the train leaves, which takes time. So to speed up the process, they just removed the duty of the conductor. The conductor is still present in the train, but it will only check tickets and give service to the passengers. That sounds a lot like how the metro works, right? That the driver looks at a screen and see if the doors are clear. Well, let's go to our next stop and where we can compare them. Here at Zeelaan, the metro tracks are right next to the train tracks. I wanted to see how fast is the train procedure if we compare it to the metro. Is it as fast? Is it slower? Or is it faster? Train arrived and metro kind of arrived at the same time. As the normal train doesn't have a conductor, to still keep the procedure safe, you can hear an electronic whistle to signal that the doors are closing, which the metro doesn't. Impressive, right? Now onto our next stop. high-speed trains still call here, but they do not go up the branch to Amsterdam Centraal. They will instead call at Amsterdam Zuid and then go to other destinations. Like the new destinations, the new timetable are Lelystad and Amersfoort. And now we take our final train to our final destination.
U wordt verder vriendelijk verzocht deze trein zo spoedig mogelijk te verlaten, want deze trein wordt afgesloten voor reizigersverkeer.
I'm at the terminus right now, Hoofddorp. Why Hoofddorp? Well, after Hoofddorp there's a giant depot. So trains can easily turn around here. And it's a local stop, so the airport sprinter got extended to Hoofddorp, because why not? Extra service for Hoofddorp. I'll wait a couple minutes and then we'll go back home. That's the airport sprinter. Fast trains between Hoofddorp and Amsterdam using cameras, basically. Cameras and a lot of modern trains. That's it. I have nothing else to add. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!